Hello everyone, how is it going? It's nobelsushank here and welcome to this tutorial series on how to build a vendor inventory system on Laravel 6. Okay, so in the previous tutorial we have created our purchase order form to store our purchase order, to make our purchase order. So here what we have done is we have made a bottom for the supplier name and the product name, so that when we click on the supplier bottom and the product bottom, our supplier list and the product list will be shown. So let's work on this. So for that, at first let's go to our code here, and inside the purchase let's create a file name. Okay, new file, and name details BIEWBU underscore vendor dot blade dot PSP for our vendor. RODUCT product dot blade dot PSP for our to view our product file. Okay, so then let's go to our purchase controller here, and at last let's create a function, named it as public functon function bndo or vendor. Okay, let's make it pop-up vendor. I think it will be good because we'll be popping our all the list of our vendor. Pop-up underscore media underscore vendor. I think this will do. Return view transaction dot purchase purchase dot biew underscore vendor. So similarly, let's copy this and paste it, and let's change this vendor to our product product. Product. Also for this product we need the ID count. So because for single vendor we can sell the multiple products, so for that we need here its ID. So for that $id underscore count, it can be null also. $id count. Okay, I think this looks good. Now then let's go to our routes here. Inside the web file here, let's write the route get necessity and transaction. Let's copy it, paste it here and close it. Similarly, let's copy this all and let's change this vendor to the product 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 as pop-up media. Here we'll also need id underscore count id count transaction product, product, and then here also id underscore count. Okay, now that we have defined the route, here when clicking on this button it will show our list by modal. Modal will be pop up and the data will be shown from our here this view, this vendor .blade file for our vendor, and view this product.blade file for our product data. So for that, here at first let's create a table name what our data will be saying. Table cell spacing 0, sorry, with 100% id table underscore media under. Let's copy this. Then here at first will be showing id, then after our product code, and then after product name, then after product purchase purchase price. Okay, I think this much will do. So here t body. Okay, I think this much will do. Then after here let's write our script here. Let's make it dash. I think table dash media dash id count. I think this will do for our HTML case. So click will be doing like tbody tr function e. Okay, then here for our product what we have got here, let's see once. Or not, it should be on create blade file. You can say for product name we have got that it should be this id underscore raw underscore product underscore. let's paste it and it should be $id underscore count. Wait, value $this dot find td dot. I don't think we need next here. td dot html. I think this will do. Let's check again. Dollar has id dot product underscore id count dot value bracket dollar this dot find td dot html closed. Okay, I think this will do. So again, let's copy it, and now we need our for name. So it should be name underscore raw underscore product. Should be name underscore raw underscore product id count dot value bracket dollar this dot find id, sorry, it's find td dot next dot next dot html. Then after our third one should be our price. So should be price underscore id count dot value dollar this dot find td dot next again next next dot html. And then after, let's close this. Okay, let's save it. I think this will be do for our pendula, sorry, for our product. So now that, let's go to our create file, and here let's set our model before the script. Here we'll be adding our model model. So for that, here let's go to our this file, and I think model will be in UI elements. Okay, model and the alerts, you can see launch default model. I think this will be great. So this is in pages UI models dot html pages UI models dot html. So let's open it in our text editor. Okay, so font was some twister. Okay, no need it. Let's expand it, and this is the navbar. No need it. Means sidebar containers. Okay, so model and the alerts, and the main content is here. So name is has model this default data target. So where it is, you know, where is that model? Let's see. default model one fine body. Okay, default model one fine body. I think this is it. So let's copy this model from here. Let's copy it and let's paste it in our here. Let's expand it. Okay, you can see id is as model default. So okay, data target is model info. Let's change it to model default model default and let's try it whether it will open our model or not here. So for that, let's refresh our page and unclick on product. You can see it's showing our model. So then here on model, where it has gone again. Okay, from model body, let's remove this. I don't think we need this too, so let's remove it. Okay, okay, then now let's write the script down below to show our the content of view this product in our this model inside model body. So for that, let's write our script. I think let's write just below then this. So dollar has model as the default dot bind. So dot bs dot model cti function e dot related target. Okay, I think this will load our table from here. So I can let's refresh the page and let's try it. Okay, you can see, but it's loading the whole page, but not our page. So Berlin key dot related. Okay, no problem. We'll see later on this why it's not showing. So we can say that at least some data is showing inside the model body, although it's showing different wrongly. So then after what we'll be doing is in our vendor view product we have done this. Okay, now for this to show our product data, for that at first let's go to our controller here. inside the product controller. Here we'll be writing a new function for that. So here public function data table table underscore product. So dollar data equals to let's say our table name. I think it is product only. So okay, so it's product. So let's close it and let's change this product from your products, and where products dot active is not equals to 0, then we'll be returning our data tables of make true. So for that, on view the standard again here, let's write our data script for our data table. So for that here dollar dot okay, let's define the class for our table name. Let's write is class table dashboard dot English namely as data table dash purchase dash product. So let's copy it, and then let's remove this script from here and let's write it here. So dollar dot table name dot data table CSSING processing true. Browse this product slash data tab only data table. I think this will do. Browse this product slash data table. So COLUMNS columns. Okay, so then browse this product underscore data table. So let's write this in our route. So for that, here on the routes web.php route get, see, browse this product product the data table data table underscore product. I think this will do data table underscore products name. So with this browse this data table master product controller data table product. So let's copy this browse this table. Let's paste it here. Okay, then after there let's go to our product controller and again see data table underscore product. We have already written it. So let's save it and again let's refresh our page. Let's check it. Okay, it's actually showing out the same page here, but let's remove this. But what we can do is let's copy this here, paste it, and then after our WSC browse this PRODUCT product slash data table. Okay, you can see it's showing our database here. And when I will be copying this, then after our name is PIW dash WCT product. Let me check once this what happening here. Why it's showing the same page. Okay, so the error is actually showing because I haven't defined here except for our product. So okay, let's define it for that. Okay, let's go to our web and it should be this one. So let's copy this all and inside view this product now. Shall we create here? Let's paste it and then let's change this id count to 1. So again let's copy this all. Let's copy this, then after so here also let's paste it and let's this change into plus plus capital X. You can see that I have written this data target as model this info. So let's change this to DFA to move as model this default. Okay, so then here let's refresh our page and let's try this. You can see okay, it's showing my table but not showing the data again. Let's see again when I click on this, the same thing. Then I can see okay, so I need here a script of my data table which I have forgotten to define here. So for that let's go to our product index. I will be copying that from here data table. Okay, so I need these two scripts. Let's copy it, then let's paste it here. Let's save it. Then again let's refresh the page and let's try it. Product, okay, you can see it's showing our data 999. You can see that it's now empty, but product, when I'm clicking on this bottom, it's automatically copying here, but the modal is not closing automatically when click on that on this. So let's make this again correct. So for that, here at last will be from at in here. Let's write here our closing code for that how. So we'll be writing a script to automatically close our data table while we click on our TD field, only TD field, because our this TD field will have the, sorry, T body TD field will have the data. So on any of this inside the T body any field, if we click, the our model should be automatically closed. So for that dollar, as let's copy this all. Table this media id count dot on click. So inside T body tr nc nctin function in dollar has an deal model as default dot model hide. So let's save it, then let's refresh our page and let's click on product. So while I click on this, it's automatically closing our model, so I think it looks good. So unclick on product, it's showing only one product, I think, because only this product is active. Okay, then for that let's go to our product here. So let's make this product also active. So let's make this product also active, submit. Then let's go to our transaction purchase order, create product. You can see two product has come, iPhone X. So let's, you can see iPhone X has come there, and inside the product automatically its purchase price has come. iPhone X we are purchasing in price 900 and Samsung Net 10 on 999. So how much quantity we are purchasing? Suppose we need iPhone X 11 piece and this 12 piece, we can write it automatically, we can write it here. So similarly we'll be doing for our the supplier name. So when I'll be clicking this bottom, supplier bottom, it will automatically show all the supplier list. So for that, at first let's copy all this from here. Let's copy it all and let's paste it in our vendor. Then after inside the clear, let's copy this as model default in the supplier also. So this price, oh, okay, supplier will not be here, it will be optional. Supplier name, and it should be model default. So web.php. You can see for vendor name we have used this one. Copy this, and then let's paste it here. Okay, So this we have done already, pasted here our link for our pop-up media. Then after default model is already here, so no need to do anything here. We don't need anything. Okay, I think this looks good for our. And then after inside reviews, okay. Then again, let's copy this, paste it here. We need this as browse this vendor data table. I think it should be master vendor controller for our vendor, and data table this product should be vendor vendo browse this vendor. So inside the vendor controller, let's create a new function and name it as data table vendor. Let's enter our data equals to vendor select. It is also vendors dot will be selecting all the data of the vendor. So asterisk where bnd as vendors dot active is not equals to 0 or 2. I'm confused there. Let me check it once. I think 0 means inactive and 2 means deleted. No, yeah, 2 means deleted. So I've been doing mistaken here. It should be 2. Where active is not equals to 2, will be changing this for our product also. So inside the product field, let's change this 0 to 2. So let's select vendors, vendor dot asterisk where vendor active is not equals. Ctl function dollar data then stream replace /r/n with comma dollar data addr true. Okay, so now let's go to our view this vendor. So for vendor I don't need id count. Let's remove this and let's remove this purchase product to vendor. And for vendor then after let's remove this second product field, product to the vendor vendor product to the vendor. move it to vendor. Then after I need add id, name and address of my vendor, address address. So same here, id, name, then after address address, then after let's close this view. This product controller, vendor controller also, let's close it. Let's remove this product index. So here inside the purchase, let's take where the supplier is. Okay, and you can see supplier for name id underscore ben, name underscore ben. So it should be id underscore ben and name underscore ben, and here let's remove this. I don't think I need this field, so let's save it. Okay, let's try it. I think it should work perfectly. Let's refresh the page inside the supplier. Okay, it's not showing the data. So what mistake I have done? Table menu id underscore ben. Let's add this. No, I think it should show me data. Okay, you can see Brocode 1 and Sushank 2 vendor name has been seen, and when I click on this, it's automatically appears. So what's left here? Okay, that is showing invoice number, information, supplier name and the product name. Product name, it also appears here automatically. So let's not make this video longer. So we'll be storing our purchase order in the next tutorial. It's already been a long video. So see you in the next tutorial. If you haven't subscribed my channel, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my channel. Thank you. If you haven't subscribed on my channel, then subscribe and click on bell icon so that you will be the first one to get the notification of my new video.